What's poppin', petty gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
One more crack out of you, and I'm going to knock those veneers in your mouth from here to Battery Park.
Been living this lavish, yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish. What's all that static? Catch me in traffic. Been doing this shit, my music is classic. I've been this tatted, bitches dramatic. Fucked it up, made it back.
So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get this super cute look. It was easy to do, and yeah. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to become an official member of the Petty Gang. And let's just get into the video. Sis, I know what you're thinking. You look a hot mess. But it's okay because I'm about to unlook a hot mess, period. So I'm gonna start off by detangling my hair with this cheap comb. I went and got my hair washed yesterday. I got it washed and blow dried, so I should have flat ironed it because it would have been way easier for this hairstyle. But I don't feel like doing all of that, so we're just gonna have to deal with this. Oh, my scalp is like really white. Compared to my skin color, this is like really light. I'm gonna do like a side part because I want it to like swoop across. I think I want like a zigzag part. I think that'll be cute. I'm gonna do a straight part right here on the side. Okay, so I'm parting it like this, and I'm about to try and like make it look like a zigzag part. I really don't know what I'm doing, y'all, so excuse me. So now I'm just gonna make like a zigzag part up here, and I'm gonna stop like right here and just leave it alone. I think that looks good enough, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So for this side, I'm gonna start like slicking it down. I'm gonna be using this Got To Be Ultra Glued, okay? And I'm gonna start slicking it back. Now I'm gonna just take this brush and try and brush it. And I'm gonna take this comb and try and like swoop it down better. I mean slick it better. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail back here. And I'm gonna just take the extra hair and wrap it around. I'm gonna take a small rubber band. So I'm gonna take some more of this stuff and I'm gonna pack it on my hair so I can make it smooth. Now I'm gonna like pin this side down real quick. I'm about to do my edges right here. I'm gonna use this Eco Styling Gel to do my edges. I feel like that's too much. Oh well, I'm extra. So I'm gonna take this Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I'm gonna just spray this on this side. Now I'm gonna go on to this side. So I'm gonna do this side in sections because it's too much to do all at once. to do my edges. So now I'm gonna be taking this pose hair. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and push it through here and pin it through my bun. I'm gonna use this big comb and pick out the curls so it'll look more natural. Period. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm gonna take this freeze spray. Y'all, this is really cute. Okay, so I have these cute rubber bands. I'm gonna do green and blue. And I'm gonna just wrap it around like that. I'm gonna take these two clips. I'm about to put on my shirt and I'm gonna show y'all the whole look. This is the whole look. Super cute. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to become an official member of the Petty Gang. Period. Bye.